Congress Legislative Party leader Okram Iwobi claims centre consulted Assam and Arunachal governments but left out Manipur government from final Naga peace accord. People's Tea's sit-ins form human change and storm MLA's residences under the initiative of Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur. Korea Foundation and Korean Culture Center India opens first Korean Culture and Arts Center of Northeast in Imphal today. And historic Ayodhya verdict out. Supreme Court orders center to set up trust for temple construction, allots alternate land for mosque. Hello and welcome to Impact News. Watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Congress Legislative Party leader former Chief Minister Okram Iwobi has expressed suspicion that the central government might have left out Manipur government while finalizing the Naga peace accord as massive paramilitary forces are being deployed in the state. Speaking to media at his Bahupara quarter today, Okram Iwobi disclosed that Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee got a tip-off that the central government has already met with the chief ministers of stakeholder states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. He maintained that the Ministry of Home Affairs must have deployed the paramilitary forces in view of the final Naga peace accord. Okram Iwobi criticized the state leaders for stating that the paramilitary forces were back from duties at Haryana and Maharashtra assembly polls. He expressed apprehension over the possibility of the finalized Naga peace talks going against the people's interest.
Lan tawbaga chap manana pusala iba atopa country amaga lan thengnana bagi preparation tawbaga chap manana tawriba se law and order gi mari leina ba masi implement torkanda masi framework agreement si implement torpa kandada lakadaba madugi outcome se masida law and order kaiba lakpa yai haidna masi Ministry of Home Affairs Government of India particularly moi masi elaborate arrangement si tawba maleva ado khoina thamjaning ibdi state amada law and order si state subject neba state government si tana da ba mali khanghan da ba maleba state si da army thajara bho tana daga kadai da no ba moina tana gani hari ba seba at the most akhoina khanjaba da di Assam gi chief minister Arunachal gi chief minister kauraga home minister ga unagre hai enoi Assam da karim tak so loy karim da singnaru no haraga thador poneba arrangement tawriba mayam si da di akhoi di Manipur da akhoina sukya ya ba ngamoi do ba karigumba kharadi mohi framework agreement ge final sign tawna gadu bise masida yaurabra sineba koina signature.
Speaking further, Okram Iwobi expressed disappointment that the state government has ignored the demand for a special assembly session to discuss on Naga peace accord by civil society organizations and political parties, including the Congress Party. He further appealed to convene a special assembly session to resolve for protection of Manipur's geographical boundary. Okram Iwobi accused that the state government failed to convene a special assembly session, fearing the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, and fragmentation of allied political parties of the state government. Meanwhile, reports said that the Speaker in charge of Nagaland Assembly, Saringang Longkumer, has called for a joint legislative forum on Naga political issue on November 13. MLAs and MPs of Nagaland are expected to attend the meet.
Assembly session je governor ko bigadabne ba adu hujik phawba decision lawbiu cabinet da house special session ama ko biu haibisi ai khoina chum yengba di masi kiba male ba lairiba sarkar se center gi prime minister home minister si kiba male akoina center na karigumba ma tawge khaliba adu gi mayok ta noina lepi di karigino nang chief minister oiba to natraga noi government do uthai gani haisira eno torkani haidna kiba male adu masina di laipak sason tawbada ba thona leina Tianagani Haibisi Yam Singneva. Laipaki Kandaba Chokrini Hen Louis Haidna Adumai Todna Kana ID Sessenze Kowum Namdava Marlev. At Huzikshu Akoi Saitagidi immediately cabinet Dishel Lorga Governor House Somon Tohonbio special session Nama Koi Pamaga. Unanimous Shoiba resolution Lorga Government of India ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯂꯤꯗꯥꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯦꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯀꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯦꯕ.
People continue to protest under Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur. Vendors closed their shops and stayed sit-in at Pona International Market today. Students of Alpha BCI Memorial Academy at Thangmeiban Hizam Dewan Plaikai of Imphal West also stays human chain protest disintegration of Manipur by the final settlement of Naga peace talks. With growing tension over the final settlement of Naga peace talks, residents of Tongzu stormed at Works Minister T.H. Biswajit residence today. People of the constituency earlier took out alert protest rally in solidarity to Kokomi and later stormed at the minister's residence, demanding to know his stance on the issue. People of Sabungkok, Telochana, Nongada, Nongren, Nongdam, Kakching, Lamlai, and Yaurabong in Lamlai constituency of the Imphal East district also carried out protest demonstration at Sabungkok Community Hall today. They later stormed at MLA Khetri Biren's residence. Speaking to media, one protesters urged the state government to find out the content of Naga peace talk and disclose it to the public. Extending solidarity to Kokomi, elderly women folk stays alert protest meet at Patsoy, Langzing Bazaar and Langzing Achauba today. Members of Yaipa Lamzing Club, Langzing Makalaikai Western Star Club, Langzing Achauba and Women Welfare Association organized a protest meet at Langzing Achauba. Protesters chanted various slogans against any threat to the territorial integrity of the state. Yaifa Lamzing Club, Pisumthong, Ningom Leirak also stays protest meet today at the community hall of the locality against disintegration of Manipur. Protesters chanted various slogans and rallied from Pisumthong towards Kesampot via Mayailambi. Police first failed to hold the rally used at Khagepali but finally managed to prevent the protesters from marching ahead at Kesamthong. Members of All Manipur Sports Association, All Manipur Football Association, Athletic Association of Manipur and All Manipur Volleyball Association along with vendors under the jurisdiction of AMSA carried out alert protest meet at the gate of All Manipur Sports Association in Mapalkang Zibung under the banner of Kokomi today. Speaking to media, AMSA President L. Lokendra welcomed the finalization of Naga peace accord between the Indian government and Indonesian IM. However, the outcome shall never affect the territorial integrity of the state. The AMSA President further warned of the intense agitation by the four associations to preserve the territorial integrity of the state.
Hariba peace talk is solution is porkumatamna Manipur gi integrity territorial integrity amasung administrative setup adagi amana cultural identity masi mang madi ko sukpa pamde akoi ni signary bise modu soglakadra haibagi damakta chingnadra akoi pratibha to wo de phomani ngasi gi performance
ngasi bawda gomelo manipur tawri ba thabak ase manipur miyam sungben pende maram maduna manipur gomena masagi oiba mating ado podopam thoi aduga manipur miyam di hongjang chun haloi manipur gi apun basaktam kaina bagi namakta manipur miyam na chahi kuni thoi chupna ngasi bawba thingna do larbasu manipur miyam da sujok chok thade chok chok theroi masi maram di manipur miyam manipur nungsi manipur kangani manipur gi khongjang manipur gi miyam na makhata na damak changjagani maram maduna manipur gi gomena su masagi mating phudopa loina manipur kansi manipur kanminasi haiba manipur miyam na lawba khola wachida mapung phana thabak tawiraku haina manipur miyam na lawgirba khola wase tabiyu haiba wafam jido thamjari.
Residents of 91 Meiti Langol and Kwakatil Mayai Koibi Mamang Lekai also carried out a alert protest meet in solidarity to Kokomi today. The protesters chanted various slogans demanding to give the state's territorial integrity intact. Members of Young Progressive Club Takil along with Mairapai Bishop Takyang Kolom Laikai, Mairapai Bill also carried out protest demonstration against disintegration of Manipur at the club today. Speaking to media, Up-Adiksha of the Imphal West, NG Bimola said that the sit-in was staged in solidarity to Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur by the final outcome of Naga peace talks.
India government ga ine sen naim ga sanari ba wari se kari no hai dana khoi da haidok ta base siba khoi gi khwai de gi saw ba singna ba manne ba aduna matam lai ngai da huji khoi gi India government na de khoi da haire ise hodar sing hai di Assam Arunachal aduga Manipur government gi lai riba khudi mak se khoi tanaram dana makhoi gi sign tawna ro ena haira ga sunga sib hawa di kawrak pa lai ta ba aduga ise government na so khoi da stand ama hai ba di khoi India ga khoi gi smai na ngang na re kai ro hai ba gi stand se khoi da pi ba ngam da ba ashuguma tanja se Praja Mawaina, I Koisu, Iramda Mase Kaibia or Eva Colaudo, I Koi Puna Laminagadabani, Haba Kongjang as with the Pomzaribs.
Volunteers and members of Public Club and Women Development Committee, Top Kongnangkong, also carried out protest demonstration at Tok Kongnangkong Makong community today. Members of Chongavi Development and Relief Organization also staged alert protest meet against disintegration of Manipur in front of their office at Kongbamaka Chongavi Bazaar today. Students of Lalpani Government High School in Jiribam District also carried out alert protest meet under the initiative of Coordinating Committee Jiribam on Manipur Integrity, demanding to disclose the details of the Naga peace talks today. Students from class 4 to 10 of Battle English School at Nambol Chingmang in Bisnupur district also formed human chain protest on Tidim Road, chanting various slogans today. Protest demonstrations were also carried out at various parts of the Moirang organized by Kokomi and Joint Committee of Manipur Integrity Moirang Subdivision. Women folks of Moirang Toya, Thanalaikai, Sirbond, Koki Bond stayed sit-in and carried out human chain protests. Around 1,500 students of Special Regular English School in Nambold also carried out protest demonstration on Tidim Road in solidarity to Kokomi today. Korea Foundation and Korean Culture Center India opened the first Korean Culture and Arts Center of North States in Imphal today. Minister of the Embassy Embassy of the Republic of Korea in New Delhi, Jong Ho Choi and Director of Korean Culture Center in Delhi, Kim Kum Pyong graced the event held at Kuki Inpi complex in Babupara. Speaking on the occasion, Director Kim Kum Pyong said that the center will provide facilities for learning Korean language, culture, Korean pop, drama, and literature, as well as opportunities to participate in the Korean Pop Festival organized by Korean Culture Center, India. He also disclosed that the final contest of the festival will be held in Imphal. A library was also opened on the occasion to facilitate learning of Korean language and literature.
Northeast part of India, especially Manipur, have many Korean cultural fans. So that's why we want to spread our culture, Korean culture in Manipur. Manipur people to learn Korean culture, and through that, we want them to grow by learning not only Korean culture, but the essence of Korean mind, like the work ethic and everything. And so we want through the culture, we want to cooperate and be friends with the Manipurian people.
Have a branch of Korean Cultural Center here. I heard that there are many responses of K-pop and K-drama here. Especially this year, there was a K-pop regional round, K-pop contest regional round, and has a big response. So next year K-pop festival, we consider open call to all the states who are interested in K-pop, and we'll give them a final K-pop contest. So I hope Manipur, Imphal, will have a chance to get All India K-pop contest final here in Imphal.
Numerous bottles of the Indian made foreign liquor and 600 cases of beer bottles worth around 23 lakh rupees recently seized by a team of Patsoi police station were destroyed today. Police team including Imphal West Additional SP Operation Eld Amarzit, DSP Commando TH Thomas, DSP Commando RK Rosen, OC Commando Imphal West P Choba and ASI KH Boni under the supervision of the Imphal West Superintendent of Police K Megachanda seized the liquors brought from Jiribam towards Imphal during a drive at around 11:30 p.m. on October 1st. The seized liquor were produced before judicial custody first class Imphal West 2, following which the court ordered to destroy the liquors in the presence of representatives of media, local clubs and Mera Paibis. Patsoi Police OC H. Sanjoy along with court members, local clubs and Mera Paibis destroyed the liquors today. Top officials of the Imphal East Police Station under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Imphal East District SP Jogechandra Haubisam organized Ningol Chakoba event at SP Office Complex in Porompat today. Representatives of Mera Paibis and Women Association and other private organizations in the district feasted together. Ningol Chakoba gifts were also presented on the occasion. Speaking to media, SP Jogechandra Haubisam said that the event aimed to enhance police public ties and to remind the public that police exists to serve them.
पुलिस पब्लिक रिलेशनशिप पुलिस का कम्युनिटी का लेना रिलेशन अदु हेना अमु हेना कोई नक्सनना अखोगी पुलिस ने लेबसे प्रजागिनी प्रजा मियामगिनी अदुगा मणिपुर की ओइना अखोगी इमा इबेन सिंग नुपी सिंगसिना लौरिबो थौतांग असि ग मरि लेना अखोइना पुलिसना करम मोंगदा अखोइना तौरिबो थबु खुदिमक्ता अफबरोमदा पॉजिटिवली ओइबा माइगैदा चाननाबा अमसुंग मदुगी दमक्ता अखोई सागतचब रिलेशन सिंग अदो कुम खुदिंगी चै खुदिंगी तोरपोइना मसिसु दम तौजबनी हैना अदुगा मसिना हेना फबा अखोगी डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिगी फंक्शनिंग दा अफबो पोरकनी हैबसे आगी थाजबनी हैना मयामना थमजगे.
Mami Tawan Foundation also organized Ningol Chakoba event at the community hall of the Eiffel Lamzin Club in Pisum Ningombam Playrock today. Women of both Hills and Valley attended the event. Speaking to media, Chairman of Mami Tawan Foundation, Romi Meitei, called for harmony between Hills and Valley residents. Mami Tawan also presented Ningol Chakoba gifts to the women guests on the occasion.
tasengna khoigi ningolna piba khoigi bor mahesi amna chawi haibisi Mamithon Foundation amna thajai manamuduna Manipur da ngasigi khoigi tangdu laita da yamna langiba kenosida khoigi serak sida khoigi nungsiraba ningol singna khoigi piba singda sugumlaba Manipur si ing tappa mara chepa lamdam or sunu haibada masigi bor se pibiramu haina masigi su koina ningol singsibu chakok jogani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on MSPDCL begging to awards at 13th India Energy Summit 2019. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Prime Time English News. Manipur State Power Distribution Corporation Limited (MSPDCL) bagged 2 awards in 2 respective categories at the award ceremony of the 13th India Energy Summit 2019 in New Delhi on November 6 and 7. Secretary of the Ministry of Power, New and Renewable Energy, S.C. Garg, presented the awards to MSPDCL MD L. Priyo Kumar and Executive Director H. Santi Kumar in acknowledgement for bringing significant changes in the power sector of the state in the past few years. The 2 awards are 7th Innovation with Impact Award for Discom 2019 in Award of Performance Improvement Award category and Innovation with Impact Award in Northeastern States category. Manipur joined the nation in observing National Legal Services Day in Jera Court Complex in Uripok today. District Legal Services Authority, Imphal West and Imphal East, along with Legal Aids Clinic, Jera Court organized the event sponsored by Manipur State Legal Services Authority. Speaking to media, President of All Manipur Bar Association M. Nila Chandra said that the event aimed to raise awareness on legal rights of a democratic country. Essay writing and painting competitions were also held in 2 categories with an aim to raise legal awareness among students. Many legal experts attended the event.
National Legal Service Day gi maruiba pandam di free legal aid piba aduga lairba adagi asolana mayam da legal aid pibagi pandam da akoi free legal service day je pangthokpani masi ihalambada 1952 dagi koi matam dagi law minister aduga law commission na madudagi mathang charge yatpa hore aduga 1960 da madugi rule nung kharga sema hore aduga ikong da 19 koi IT da PN Bhagavati na koi Supreme Court ki judge na koi committee form tawre haiba committee ji makha koi 1987 da koi Legal Service Authority Act 1987 and amal linkale adu haiba Legal Service Authority 1987 je 1994 da amendment khara tawraga akoi 95 da haiba act je enforce tawe law enforce tawe misibu akoina National Legal Service Day na since then pangthokpani.
Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur Fegokta held one-day state-level public discourse on current changes in absent in Manipur at Ima Kuntokhanbi Sangland on DM College campus today. Speaking on the occasion, President of the association, A. Pisak, said that the event aimed to highlight the role of teachers amid prevailing issues of the state. He asserted that establishing a territorial council or various administrations in the state with the finalization of Naga peace talk will lead to disintegration of Manipur. He stated that resolution taken during the meet to protect Manipur will be forwarded to the Indian government.
Manipur की boundary सोलपा Manipur दा मोई अनोबा autonomous district council तो जो overlapping तो बा administration नहीं सुचलपा अदु मत तो बुद्धि अकोई Manipur की ममांग ऐतिकी लेजरे बा Manipur की सक्तम से पुंकाई कायरगा मधु है ना problem solve तो बगी महूता more problem create तो गनी है ना कोई खंजे उसी 21st century सीधा smart city लाभ मत मसीदा smart way of लाभ मत मसीदा दी कोई जो वाकन मुन्ना खंडरगा कर्म मोंग दा peaceful coexistence लेवी आदगे social harmony आदगे all round development चिंचु तमचु माना न चमिन बे यागे दा गे हबसे मधु की solution दो कोई ngase की discussion सीधा कर फंगगदी मधु कोई सोयदना in a positive way government of India दा कोई recommend तो जगनी.
Maklang Turin Kambal Luft convened a public meeting at the multipurpose hold-up Kumbong held in Imphal West District today with an aim to save Maklang River. The river is being polluted with chemical waste from drilling of railways tunnel. Former Lok Sabha MP Dr. D. Mania, President of Maklang Turin Kanbalu, W. Noda, Ngairang GP Pradhan TH Sanjoy, Moidangpok GP Pradhan, K. Kainatumbi and people residing on both sides of the river bank attended the meet. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Maklang Turing Kambalu, El Gandazit, complained that people residing near Maklang River Light, Tairing Pokpi, Atok Kumant and Sahibung Kaki villages in Imphal West have suffered from various diseases due to polluted river water. He expressed disappointment that complaints raised by villagers and authorities concerned to the officials of Northeast Frontier Railways fell on deaf ears. Gadazit appealed to the relevant department to look into the matter at the earliest.
Hariba toxic substancing ase aikoina lepa laitana turen khung sum thadar lagadi hariba turen asida aikoina water si contaminate tawduna aikoi miyoibada hingbada wagadaba jiba singda sokadaba polam mayam matang koina sum tawrak lagadi jiba pan baje akhoi somai soinaiba hakchangda ana ayek health hazard thorokpa mayam aikoina masi hojik thengnaba khara hore koi maklang turen kanba loop sina mamangi chahidagi turen asigi manungda amol akai thadaba thingduna lakchabani aduga hojiksu turen asida chelebe isingje akhoi phai hena khalambadu hojik laboratory test mayam tawbadagi isingje sinaba yadaba irujaba su yadaba kolik chamba su yadaba mawongda hojik akhoi turen gi ising ase akhoi thengnareba.
Maipak Ningtho Committee organized this seminar on Meitei Pangan Kuntok Numit at GM Hall today. Speaking on the occasion, convener of Maipak Ningtho Committee, B.K. Moirangcha said that the Meitei Pangans are mostly descendants of prisoners of the war during the reign of King Meidingo Khagemba, who were held captive and converted into Meitei through marriage and settled in the state. He lamented over existing gap between the two communities due to religious differences. Moirangcha asserted that Meitei Pangals are the blood relatives of the Meitei people. He mentioned that the Kuntok Day will be observed every year to enlighten the relationship of the two communities to the younger generation and to strengthen their ties. Resource persons trace on the origin, history, duties and responsibilities of Meitei Pangans, their first settlement in Manipur and changes in governance and economic development in the state following their settlement. Leaders of various renowned organizations and associations of the state such as Manipur Muslim Welfare Association, MMWO, All Manipur United Club Organization, AMUKO, United People's Front, UPF, Indigenous Peoples Association of Kangleipak, IPAK, Ethno Heritage Council, Herikon, Lilong Political Unified Link, Lipul, and Committee of Civil Societies Kangleipak, CCSK, attended the event.
Muslim layer mayam sing ade pangal sing mayam sing marak sing chidagidi ekoi ngasi khara ekoi yumnak mamang maming da kari da yumnak haptaba khotaba kari mayama laiba kholiba ade thengna changpa mayam sing duna ekoi mayek sengna mitei pangal nataba ekoi muslim sing ju thengna changpa mayam chu leitaba nate adu hairiba muslim sing mitei pangal nataba muslim sing ado makoi sing adugi adugumba numit puthokna semna nate ngasi ekoina pangthoibasidi mitei pangal singi haurakhiba matamdugi itias ki khongu lir kanduda kunkari numitagi hauna ekoi mitei ningon piraga amadi khunda letadana yumling kaling dana ekoi matam mafam sida lehengi uno haibado madu puthok nabugi damakta semna pangthokpani.
Foundation stone has been laid for the construction of a statue of Major Chongthamia at Narayankana in Tripura. IPSA President cum Convener Justice Committee of Anglo-Manipur War 1891 Construction Committee, Joy Chandra Konthozam, led the foundation stone today. Jaliangkrong United Clubs Association, Manipur Valley and Jaliangkrong Union Imphal jointly formed an organization named Jaliangkrong United Organization Imphal Valley under Kabui Mothers Association today. The organization was formed at the office of Jaliangkrong United Club Association, Manipur Valley during a meeting. Jaliangkrong United Club Association, Manipur Valley in a press release informed that Pau Maibon Pau Mai was elected as president and Pantijai Gwanmei as general secretary of the newly formed organization. President of Phumlo Gram Panchayat, Maisna Manik Chand, urged people not to release their cattle while crop cultivation activities are going on. Speaking to media at Old Phumlo Community Hall today, Pradhan Maisna Manik Chand said that farmers have started sowing seed for winter crops in areas under Phumlo Gram Panchayat, Khongampot Gram Panchayat, Moidangpok Gram Panchayat, Lamzau Tongba Gram Panchayat, Taklem Takil Gram Panchayat, Bijoy Govinda Panchayat. He appealed to people in the nearby areas not to release their cattle to avoid causing inconveniences to the farmers.
Rabi crop haiba tare mahimrong thama tamsta sanje thadok birai aduna khunja singna thangnari ba khunja sing haibadi aigi thangnari ba gram panchayat managing gram panchayat khurkun gram panchayat lani kapi gan panchayat asina singma mayam se handaki ningtham gi mahimrong lokbagi matang sidadi sanje thadok biranu adu karigumba thadok ba taragi koina san thadore ba mapu singna disk punamang lawbiu haidana ai amukana electronics print media gi maikai amukana haijari san amuna thadok biganu.
Proscribed People's Revolutionary Party of Kangli Park, Cree Park appealed to observe Athoba Singhi Ningsing Numit on November 12 by paying floral tributes and lighting candles. Cree Park in a press release appealed to refrain from entertainments on the same day. 10-day personality development program kick-off at the conference held of CARD Thawal today. Council for Advancement of Rural Development, CARD Thawal Khetri Laikai and Detopent Thenga, the National Board for Workers, Education and Development Imphal jointly organized the event under the Ministry of Labour and Employment. 30 youth from Bisnupur, Thawal, Kakching, Imphal West and Chandal district took part in the event. Regional Director of Detopent Thenga, the National Board for Worker Education, M.N. Salam urged the youth to take full opportunity of the program taken up by the Indian government for the northern states. Theatre Centre Manipur in a press release informed that the 50th Short Play Competition for Creative Directors 2019, jointly organized by the Centre and Manipur State Kala Academy, which was scheduled to be held from December 11, has been postponed indefinitely. In a unanimous verdict, the Supreme Court today paved the way for the construction of a Ram temple at the disputed site at Ayodhya, bringing down curtains on the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid issue, one of the longest-running title disputes in India. The Supreme Court has given the entire disputed 2.77 acres land to the Hindu parties, with a trust to be formed by the centre within 3 months to monitor the construction of a Ram temple. The Sumiwa board will be given 5 acres of alternate land. A 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court ruled in the unanimous verdict. The Nirmohi Akhara also suffered a setback, with the court saying it is not a she-bat or a devotee of the deity Ram Lala. The CCI Ranjan Gogoi-led bench of justices S.A. Bode, D.Y. Chandrachud, Ashok Busant and S. Abdul Nazir said the Akhara suit was barred by limitation. The Ayodhya title suit verdict came 9 years after 2:1 judgment of the Allahabad High Court that ordered a 3-way division of the disputed 2.77 acres of land between the 3 parties, Ram Lala, Suniwa Port and Nirmohi Akhara. The Lucknow bench had ruled that Hindus and Muslims would be joint title holders of the disputed land. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Congress Legislative Party leader Okram Ibobi claims Centre consulted Assam and Arunachal governments but left out Manipur government from final Naga peace accord. People's sit-ins formed human chains and stormed MLA's residences under the initiative of Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur. Korea Foundation and Korean Culture Center, India opens first Korean Culture and Art Center of Northeast in Imphal today. And historic Ayodhya verdict out. Supreme Court orders Center to set up trust for temple construction, allots alternate land for mosque.